Yo guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another banging video. Today guys, we are playing YouTube Tycoon guys with my friends Hamilton and BepBop69.
Yeah, I'm a robot.
Hello.
Yeah guys, so hit that like button if you're new here. Hit that subscribe button if you like this video. And if you want to see more from me, hit that like. Wait. Whoa! Give me subscribers! Subscribers!
Ooh,
How do you do this? I want this. Is it just a random? You beep.
We just started and look.
I've already got 25,000 subscribers.
Subscribe.
Yay! Ah! I just floored Hamilton in real life.
Do you mean
No.
BepBop?
BepBop, I mean, yeah, silly BepBop.
Or
I slapped him on the ass.
BepBop, BepBop, beep.
I got so many subscribers. So guys, the plan is the golden play button's on the 3rd floor. So it's first person to get the golden play button.
Yeah.
I'm wasting my money on getting some sandcastles.
I'm really confident.
I'm confident I'm gonna lose.
I have got a cold at the moment, guys, so I am sorry if I sound a bit different. I don't think I do, but yeah.
Oh, I have a cold as well, so.
Ow! I just whammed my head on the headphones.
That was smart.
That was smart.
You bitty boppity boop.
Can I have some ham, Hamilton?
No. Ham.
Oh, getting a lot.
The dog is
I'm
back.
getting a
We
lot
have to
of
be
stuff
careful
here.
of the word dog. I got a punishment for the Punisher. Whoever loses has to
Yeah,
get to
whoever
death by a dog.
loses has to do a dare. We won't do that on video.
Or will we?
We won't.
Hit that bell to know more about it.
So, guys. Where's the phone?
I'm doing multitask.
Harry, I need my phone.
Yeah, sure.
I got loads of subscribers.
We just said your name.
I know, right? Subscribers are raining on me.
Yeah, Harry.
Yeah.
And this is all pre-recorded, so just ignore this, guys. I can't let it go on my phone. It's nearly dead.
You wanna charge it up?
Hold on. So, So guys, get a load of these.
I bet this video is going to be around about 21 minutes and like 30 something seconds. I bet. Oh, you're stuck, hat.
Get me out of this right this millisecond.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Yay. This is
Yeah.
going to be.
Can you put my phone on charge, please?
Yeah. Harry, there you go. No, wait. Where's your charger? I don't know where your charger is.
Over there.
Just take this one. Just take that one.
Oh no, found it.
You cheat.
I didn't buy any. I'm just looking. I'm not buying any, silly. That means
You literally clicked it.
yeah. Oh, I'm looking in the ocean.
Just make sure it is charging. Yeah, it's charging.
I'm looking in the ocean. Why is my movement all the way at the top of the screen? Lol.
It's a bit dodgy.
So, yeah, guys, I'm going to let it play. I'm going to put some music on.
You hit 1
And,
millimeter.
yeah, see you in a minute. Okay, so Hamlet BepBop69 is planning to create a YouTube channel.
BepBop, BepBop, beep.
Yeah, so on the 2nd floor, I'm thinking I'm doing the best.
I used to have a YouTube channel and I kind of stopped.
Do this.
1 million subscribers.
Okay. I'm just looking around. It's really good here. Guys, I'll be back in a couple of minutes. I'm just going to let it play without me talking. I'll be back soon. Okay. Perfect.
Oh, because I was.
I'm going to come in.
What?
Yay, I'm safe. What a beautiful place.
What?
Yeah, he's challenged me to escape, so bang, I've escaped. I escaped BepBop's prison. Back to my place. Right, back in, see what I can upgrade. So guys, I got the YouTube play button and the bronze play button. Perfect. I wanted it to rain subscribers again. That really helped. No, I like how as soon as I started recording, it rained subscribers.
Yeah.
Lol. I'm going to see if I can find the group and join it so I can get more stuff upgraded. Shh, they're right there. Don't let them hear me. Maybe I need to like the video. How do you join the group?
96,000.
I give up. I just wasted so much time. Because apparently it says if you join a group, you can get it. You can get certain stuff. And it didn't work, so I'm back in. Perfect. Oh, you can change the floor. Didn't know that. Someone just asked me my username. Obese Gaming.
Obese Gaming?
Yeah. Hold on, guys. You hear me? What? Yeah. Right, I'm back, guys. I'm sitting here having a nice chill. Perfect. Right, let's head upstairs. Okay, guys, so BepBop is creating a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. His name's the same as it is on Roblox.
BepBop69.
That's his name. Go subscribe to him. Hit his like buttons. Hit his subscribe button. Turn on post notifications to him. I'm really tempted to buy some Robux. Why? No, don't keep your subscriptions private. Keep all subscriptions private. Keep all like videos private. Don't keep all playlists private. Okay. I'm stuck again! Red. Getting propelled with like and subscribe buttons. I'm just looking at. Why do I keep opening the shop? I'm tempted to buy stuff. I'm tempted to go get some Robux. Perfect. What do you need help with?
Making this channel.
Phone.
For my subscriptions. Or what? Wait, what are you doing?
He's not even subscribed to me.
What?
Oh, BepBop's channel and he's not subscribed to me. You don't know. Record a video in a bit.
I almost connected my Apple Watch to somebody's
So what
car
do I
radio
do?
yesterday.
So what do I do? Do I just pick a game and then what do I do?
Well, you could screen record it on a game and start, but you need to get an edit.
Wait, isn't it that?
Yeah, you need to get an edit app though.
What's that called?
I suggest Intershot.
Oh, I've got InShot.
I'll show
Alright,
you
how
it.
do you
Hold on. Shot.
shot?
I'm up on the top floor.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Get that.
Yeah, so we're doing good at the moment.
I'm gonna be like doing reactive videos and stuff.
Guys, this is how you listen to music.
It's actually really good. I'm enjoying this.
Guys, this is how you listen to music.
Perfect. Hello, Walter. Let's get this button here.
I've been messing.
No!
No,
Anyway.
I've been messing up my whole entire.
Right. Yeah.
I'm gonna open.
What's over there? What I forgot
This
to
is,
get.
guys, this is how you wear.
Lol. So basically, I'm teaching him how to do a YouTube channel. So you
Yeah.
have to just say if that you recorded a video, just you'll
No,
select.
I'll pick one.
Yeah. Click 2. I'm going to trap. Oh, I'll try to kill him. You can go out here, BepBop.
Alright, I picked one. Hello, BepBop.
Yeah, guys,
Yeah,
it's Hamilton.
right. I'm back after a bit. I got more subscribers. Silver play button.
Alright, now what do I do?
How many have you clicked?
Just one.
So I'm waiting for this.
Alright, I picked 2.
You click that. Then if you want to add voicing, click that. Add text, you click that. If you want to add voicing, you click that. That's effects. That's noises that you can do.
Alright.
That's certain tracks, but I suggest you don't do that because you get copyrighted.
Effect.
Any of them. Any of them. You can scroll down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's rained. It's rained. It's rained. Subscribers. Get more. Give me. Give me the subs.
What are you doing?
Getting more subscribers. I like it when it rains.
It's amazing.
50,000 subscribers. Hamlet, BepBop. There's literally 50,000 subscribers very close to you that he just
Let's
ran
see.
past. I've already picked it up.
Stop.
Stop!
Hurry.
Stop! I'll get copyrighted. Please don't copyright me for that, YouTube. Yeah, you can't do any music that you haven't created.
I didn't know that.
So please don't copyright me, YouTube. And you only get 3 chances for copyright, then your YouTube channel will be banned, and I've already used one of those chances.
I got a copyrighted one ages ago. It banned me for quite a while. YouTube did.
Boxes. Beautiful boxes have just been bought. Right, I just skipped that bit. Right, yeah. Should I get a shirt, guys? I think I'm going to get a shirt. What one? Right, I'll catch you when I found one that I like. This shirt, I'm going to buy it with Robux. You know, purchase. Bang, thank you. Lol, I'm whispering. Perfect.
I'm gonna buy the 3rd floor before one of my rich friends come over, so I don't look poor.
Lol. How about BepBop has just ran away, is scared. Lol. Yeah, BepBop's not doing his punishment.
No, because it's gonna hurt.
It won't.
It will. I need help to do a video.
I'll show you after, silly. I'm just getting loads of subscribers at the top. Right, I'm back. I'm taking one to the bed. He's trapped. He's not going anywhere.
Right, click this.
He is silly. What's this helicopter? You really trying to push my arm down? Weak. Are you trying to push my arm down?
No, I'm just lying.
Subscribers everywhere. Everywhere.
See.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribers everywhere.
Bye. Bye.
I'm thinking about saving up for the gold play button. 4 minutes left on the video. Okay, right. I just bought some other stuff just to speed myself up. I'm doing good. Yeah. So here's right. I'm just going to go over to BepBop's place and say hi. BepBop, bibbity boop boop, Fatty, open up this door immediately. Fatty, open up this door immediately. What is this? The boat is away, guys. The boat is away. The boat is away, guys. The boat is gone. Helicopter, helicopter. Let me jump in the helicopter. Why is it just turned that weird colour? I don't know. Why am I singing? God knows. Helicopter. What do you want, BepBop? What do you want? Why are you taking it into your place? Sorry. Right. Okay. I bought some other stuff to speed this up. My money's going up fast.
Speed.
Guys, I'm about to get the golden play button. Come here.
I'm coming up.
Actually, no, I don't. I have nowhere near, actually. Money is going up fast. I'm gaining 1 subscriber every year. My beautiful silver play button. Head up to the top floor.
Yep, I'm back.
I've broken my nail.
I don't care. Look at this beautiful frame printer.
Roblox is dangerous. It broke my nail.
I'm waiting. Kept it in all its glory. I'm still recording. Right. Okay, guys, come here. Come here. I want to show you something.
Come in.
Are you coming to my place? Yeah, I'm waiting at the door.
Oh wait, I'm going to the other. I'm going to BepBop.
Beep bop beep bop beep. You don't want to come to mine.
Come over here, guys. I really want to show you something.
Come in.
All right, walking.
I want to give you some. I want to show you something at the top floor that I got. Yes. Let's go surprise them.
I'm still lost. Very lost.
But I've not got the golden play button. I want to show you something. I want to show you how much the golden play button is. Come on, guys. Up we go. Both of you follow me. I want to show you how much the golden play button is.
Following.
Following. Hey, Amelia, turn around. Cat got him.
Why are you blocking me? Look, this is how much the golden play button is, guys.
1 million.
Yeah. Did you know?
1 million?
Yeah, but I can just go for Little Wonderland. Yay, I won! Get in, guys, I won! I beat you in your faces!
Come on, I was so close.
So, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new for more content. And have a great and fantastic and safe rest of your day. I'll see you all in another video. Shout out to BepBop and Hamilton. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Wow. Pow.